it is. Anyway, it seems we have a lot in common.
It
Do you
does.
actually tell everybody, like your daughter-in-law, your son, your sister, everything that goes on in your life?
Well, it depends. Now, my daughter-in-law, we run a business together, so she's my right-hand gal when it comes to running the business. But my sisters, I don't tend to tell them. I keep secrets from them, especially Bardine, because she's very jealous of me because, she's really ugly. So it's hard sometimes with her. I have to, fabricate a bunch of stories just so she doesn't ask questions. But, they kind of just, we just do our own thing, honey. We're a family, but we're not in each other's, pockets.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I'm kind of glad. I love surprises. I'm just going to let you know this. I'm not a perfect guy,
Mm-hmm.
but I'll give you a word if I have to.
Okay.
I will take good care of you with every way I can, every possible way I can. I know you have everything in this life,
Mm-hmm.
but I know that whatever I'm going to give to you is going to be more than happiness itself.
Oh, of course,
In
honey.
reality, I know that, but I'm ready to give you more than happiness itself because I'm really, really looking for a true love, and I do believe you are. I do believe that because my instinct is never wrong.
Oh, good.
My instinct feels
Wrong this time.
100% positive about you.
Oh, goodness, honey. Well, I get a good feeling, too. I don't, I always follow my intuition, and you just seem like a nice man. I don't know. I don't date off the internet, so you'd be my first internet date, honey.
To avoid
Do I
us
what?
having negative, to avoid us having negative, impact with one another during this, because we're about to go on a journey. We're about to create something out of nothing. I would like us to keep us between us till we actually meet in person before we introduce ourselves to our families and our loved ones.
Oh, like
talking negative,
like keep it a secret. Yeah, you want me to keep you a secret, honey?
Yeah, I want us to be between us. That would be more amazing. So
Yeah.
when we meet in person, we just surprise the whole house. You understand?
Oh, you can it can be like a big reveal, like one of those makeover shows, and we're like, ta-da! That'd be fine, honey, because and then the kitchen's ugly. So that would be fine, honey, because my sister is so jealous, honey.
That's nice. So tell me, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite food?
Oh, well, my favorite color, it's usually hot pink, and my favorite food, gosh, I love Velveeta. I eat melted Velveeta like it's going out of style. I do spend 3 hours every day in the bathroom, but I love me some Velveeta. What about you, honey? What's your favorite color in foods?
My favorite color is blue, and my favorite food is pizza, pasta, and seafood. I love seafood a lot.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
What kind of seafood? Yeah, like the oysters or what?
Lobster, all of them, any kind of seafood. I actually do enjoy it a lot because it's very healthy. So I do enjoy it.
Oh well, honey, you'd love it here. We have a seafood buffet here. It's Captain Slimey's seafood buffet, and we should go there on our first date. It's all you can eat shrimps.
Wow, I can't wait honestly, because I'm longing for a nice meal, honestly.
Oh, you'd love it there, honey. The health department only shut them down twice last year, and they have great 2-for-1 deals. We'll have to go there on a date, honey.
Yeah, I would love that. So tell me, what is your hobby? What do you enjoy to do except working? I know you love working. Apart from that, what do you enjoy to do?
Oh, well, I love travel, honey. I go on cruises all the time. I love to go to the casino. I just enjoy just the finer things, I go on a cruise at least twice a year if I can, and we sometimes I pile into the car and drive to Mississippi and go on one of them riverboat casino cruises. I love to play, blackjack and the slot machines, and I like to shop. I go shopping, and every once in a while I'll go rollerblading if my ankles hold out.
Wow, that's nice. I do love traveling also. I do love traveling. I do love camping. I do love going on a hiking. I do love mountain climbing.
Oh goodness. I don't know if I do that, but I watch. I watch from the car, honey.
Yeah, I do love skydiving also.
Oh Lord.
I love playing golf.
Oh, playing golf, how boring. Skydiving, good Lord. I don't know if I could do the skydiving. I like to shove my sister out of an airplane, but I don't know if I'd jump out of one. No, I really did. The last trip, I almost just pulled the cord. So.
You're very funny. You're very funny. I like that.
I can't stand her. It's really becoming an issue. So, well, skydiving, I don't know if I do that, but I might join you in a game of golf. I have a friend on the Facebook who she enjoys golf thoroughly, so she's been trying to get me to play some more golf.
Alright. That's nice. I can teach you more. I can teach you how to swing it and everything. Nothing to worry about.
Yeah, the last time I went golfing, I swung the club and I let it go. I forgot to hold on to it, and it flung for miles. Good Lord. I hit this poor man in the head. He was okay, though. He didn't, he was fine. I brought him over some napkins, and the bleeding and everything was fine. But, I'm not good at sports, honey. But rollerblading, I'm very good at. I was the 1991 rollerblading champion of Hinkleville.
Wow.
I know.
Impressive. You seem to amaze me in every way. That's nice. That's epic.
I can do no wrong, honey.
So tell me, what turns you off?
Well, it depends. Bad breath, good Lord. I went on a date one time and this man's breath smelled like 3-day-old fish fillets. But, I just, what turns me off is bad breath, hair pieces, socks with sandals, and just dishonesty. I don't like people who are dishonest.
Oh, me too. Me too. That's my number one turn off. Dishonesty. I hate lies.
Oh, I
hate selfish people.
Yes, people who only think of themselves and are only out for one thing. I hate that. Oh, God.
Anyway, so tell me, if you have an opportunity to change something about yourself, what would that be?
I feel like I'm on a dating game. Well, I don't know. I think I'm perfect in every way, but I probably, if I could change something, I have horrendous foot odor. I'd probably change that, but other than that, I'm perfect. What about you, honey?
Honestly, I would want to fast forward time, or maybe make it quicker for me to see you sooner, or maybe we actually see in person or better. Honestly.
Well, we can't speed up time.
It's very long for me.
Well, when can you come to see me? Like, can you take like a couple days off and come over, or what?
I would love to do that, but I already signed a contract, so I have to keep up with everything.
Oh,
but don't worry, we definitely need to see. God, I can't wait to see you, honestly.
Can't you call in sick? I do it all the time.
I wish I could do that.
You can. You just tell him you got the diarrhea. You'll be all right.
I was actually thinking of swimming over, jump into the ocean and swim straight to you. I was actually thinking,
No, don't do that. Oh, Lord. Last time I jumped in the ocean, I almost drowned. No, I mean, don't you have like a vacation days? You could take like a week off and come and visit.
Nah, it's not going to be possible because it's part of the contract I signed. And the reason I'm going to come next month is because my work here is almost done. So it's just like 78% done. So I just want to make sure I get everything done. Then the guy that's going to replace me, because they're going to send a new engineer overboard. So I'm just going to tell him what I want to do before I leave. Then I'm done with it. Then
well,
I'm see you straight away.
Yeah. So you couldn't just call the guy and have him cover your shift. I mean, I know when Charmaine when she doesn't want to go to like me and her went to a concert one time. We went to see Conway Twitty. Oh my god. And
Wow.
yeah, but she couldn't get off work, so I told her, well, Charmaine, just find someone else. And then she called Dardine, and Dardine was like, ow, and then she finally worked for her. So I mean, maybe you can get someone to work for you.
I wish I could, but the truth is that I'm the boss here. I'm the number one engineer. I'm more like the chief engineer here. And to what a lot of people actually say, like, to them, they think I'm the best, but I don't think I am the best.
No,
I just think I am just a normal regular guy who knows how to do his job. So,
well, yeah, there's probably better, but it's just. It's so difficult. The work situations is always difficult. Well, when you can come over, you just let me know, and I can come pick you up at the airport, and we'll go to Captain Slimey's all-you-can-eat buffet.
Definitely. So, tell me, can I ask you a simple question?
Sure.
When last did you actually kiss someone?
Well, I always kiss my family on the cheek, right? We always give each other a little kiss before we dive into dinner, honey.
It belongs to actually kick someone. It belong. I don't really, but I don't know if I know how to kiss at all. I'm a big virgin all over again, though.
Oh, well, you can always practice on some of those fish out in the ocean.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for that. Thanks for the tips.
You're welcome. I'm always glad to help.
So, what time is it over there?
Oh, it's getting late, honey. Well, we're doing our time change tomorrow, so we're gonna flop ahead an hour. But it's getting a little 9:30, almost 10 o'clock here, honey. I'm on the western side of Tennessee, so. If you go like 10 minutes away from where I live, it's actually later. It's really mind blowing.
Yeah. Anyway, it's 4:32 a.m. Yeah.
Oh goodness, you should go to bed.
I already actually woke up. Your message actually woke me up.
Oh good.
My shift will start by 5:30 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, okay. Well, that's fine.
Anyway, for now, I'll drink coffee and get ready.
Oh, okay, honey. Well, that's good. I hope you have a good day at work, and make sure you pack a lunch.
Thank you very much. I hope you have a lovely night. Sweet dreams.
Oh, thank you, honey.
Dream about me.
Oh, I will. You're silly, honey. Well, it's great to get to know you, and now you have my digits, so feel free to call me anytime.
I'll make sure I answer if you last me before I call, because I don't want to distract you or disturb you. Maybe when your family or when you work or when your son is, I just make sure to text you before I call you. All right? How about that?
That's perfect, honey. It'll just give me time to get set up, and just in case my sister Bardine's hanging around eating Cheetos over my shoulder, we can talk in private, honey.
All right, no problem. All right, take care of yourself. All right.
You too.
Bye.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Bye.
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 Oh, no kiss. I was hoping for a kiss. I guess it's too early in the relationship for that.